She booked a hotel at a special discount. When she opened the door,
进来呀，
a cozy bedroom greeted her.
这还有独立卫浴。我去，这怎么上？
The bathroom experience began.
哎呦我天，这平时是怎么搁这上厕所呀？这搁这上厕所玩，我就给近视眼了。这么上厕所还好点，这么上。
But then,
多少钱订的？9块。
the price forgives everything.
你好，是你叫的保洁吗？
A little later, she requested cleaning service.
好了。
She was amazed by the spotless cleaning job after stepping out for a bit when she came back.
锁门呢？你谁呀？
An unexpected guest had let itself in.
谁不小费啊？
The next day, she moved to another hotel. The price was $1 and the room size shrank to half. Even the toilet was half the size.
你看嘛，就是很容易直接就上在地上。